All right, let's talk color theory in fashion, because knowing your best colors can totally level up your style game. First, it's all about undertones. If your veins look blue or purple, you probably have cool undertones. If they're greenish, you're likely warm. Not sure? You might be neutral, which means you can rock almost anything. Now, cool undertones look amazing in jewel tones. Sapphire blue, emerald green, deep purple. These colors make your skin pop and give you that fresh, glowy vibe. If you've got warm undertones, earth tones are your best friends. Rich browns, mustard yellow, olive green, coral. These shades bring out the warmth in your skin and make you look vibrant. Neutrals? Lucky you. You can mix and match from both worlds. But honestly, don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes a bold color outside your usual palette can totally surprise you. And here's a quick tip. If you're ever in doubt, white-black are classics for a reason. Off-white cream can be softer for warm tones, while crisp white looks super sharp on cool tones. At the end of the day, fashion is about having fun and feeling good. So wear what makes you happy. And don't stress too much about the rules. If you want to see some killer color combos in action, check out my other videos for inspiration. Now go experiment with color and let your style shine.